Let us try to answer these Node.js interview questions. The first one is what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Firstly, the Node.js is a software that allows us to run JavaScript code on our computer. It is commonly used for building. It is commonly used for building websites and web applications because it allows users to use JavaScript code for both front-end and back-end purposes, whereas the Apache and PHP are used for the back-end purposes. For example, you can use Node.js to create a web server that listens for the request of the web browsers and responds with the appropriate content. The second question is what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Here, a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function, and it only gets executed after the completion of the task. Commonly used in asynchronous handle operators that takes a lot of reading a file or making a network request. For example, in Node.js, you can use a callback function to handle the response from a database query. The callback function called once the query is submitted also allows us to process the third question is what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project and it's the key properties found in this file. Here, the package.json file is a metadata file for our Node.js project. It's some contains some important information about our project like our project name, our project version, our project dependencies, and our project scripts. For example, in a package.json file, we have to specify the name of our project. We have to specify the name of our project's version, and we have to specify the list of dependencies that our project requires. And we can also define scripts to run tasks like starting the server or running the tests. The fourth question is explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one or the other? Here, in Node.js, require is a keyword used to import modules into our project. It is used in common JS modules, which are the standard in Node.js. Import is used in ES6 modules, which are supported in newer versions of the Node.js and modern browsers. For example, to import the file system module in Node.js, using require, we have to write like const const file name equal to require in the middle of parentheses we have to specify the field. And in ES6 modules we use the import keyword. Next question is what is middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give an example of how would you use middleware in an express application? Here the option in express.js are that have that have access to the request objects, and the next middleware function is like a task like parsing requested bodies, logging in requests, and handling errors. A simple middleware function express.js that logs the request method and URL uh, would look like app dot use in the middle of parentheses. We have to specify the request and the response. The next question is what is RESTful API and how can you create one JS and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. The RESTful API is a style of designing web services that follows the principle for REST. It uses standard HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete, etc. to perform operations on resource. For example, in a RESTful API built with Node.js and Express.js, we would use the get method to uh, collect. We would use the get method to retrieve the post method is used to create new data. The put method is used to update the existing data, and the delete method is used to pop. That means delete the data. The seventh question is what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager NPM and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? The NPM package npm is a package manager for Node.js that allows us to easily install, manage, and share some packages of code. It is used to add the functionality to our Node.js projects by installing some packages from the npm registry. For example, we can use npm to install the express.js framework for building web applications by running the command like npm space install express. The eighth question is, why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing passwords is a security measure used to protect user passwords. It involves converting a password into a uh, confused, irreversible form using a hashing algorithm. It ensures that even if anyone gains access to the password database, they cannot easily decode the original passwords. Thank you.